Do you struggle with procrastination? Do you care about your health? Do you want to be so productive that you can dominate the whole world? Well, if you're like me and say yes to all of those, then this video's for you. You see, my friends at AnthroDesk sent me this wonderful, clean, pristine, perfect desk to help me battle my procrastination, take care of my health, and most importantly, rule the world. And I just want to show it off to all of you guys because I'm actually kind of in love with it. It's kind of unhealthy. I really, really like this desk. And hey, maybe by the end of the video, you'll want one too because you realize that it can really, truly help you rule the world. So let's get into it, I guess.
Okay, so this is the tabletop for it, and it's actually really wide. I think it's wider than my desk, like my current desk. 30 inches, and then 48 inches. And then here we have the actual like base stand for it. So the magic's in here. And then of course my current desk, which I already showed before. It's a little bit messy, like my speakers here. I have a bunch of my studying stuff right there. Yeah, this is it. It's really big. Okay, like, it's definitely a little bit longer than that one, but I'm pretty sure this one's way wider. I actually don't know the dimensions of my current desk. So yeah, here it is. It's nothing that fancy. And for this, I'm thinking like a study desk of some sort, and I'll probably end up putting this on it. This kind of looks aesthetic. Kind of. Not really. I just kind of look like a loser. So that's the desk so far. It's in this really cool box. I really like this thing. Okay. First things first, we gotta cut this bad boy open. That was a lot louder than I was expecting it to be. I'm trying to be like those aesthetic YouTubers that like do unboxings. It's just not working out for me. Can we pry it open now? Oh, it's another box. Crazy. It's a box inside of a box. Is there a box inside of this one? Oh wait, it wasn't another box. Okay. Oh, the assembly instructions. It's gonna look like that by the end of it, I guess. Okay, let's make it look like that. Okay. So the first layer. Okay. What? Why is it spinning like this? Am I like about to break something?
Progress report.
Progress report. Oh, we got foot. That's what this is called, right? The foot? The foot of the desk. Feet. Legs. No, these are the legs. So this would be the foot, yeah. He screamed at me!
There you go.
Woohoo! Okay, so we've got the desk completely built. We just need to do the wiring stuff for the engine. Oh, no, I guess it. Oh! Yippee! Oh. Okay. Dang, cable management for real. Are you ready for the moment of truth? Oh, it has a number. Okay, you ready? Yo! Bro, that's crazy. That's actually really tall. I almost died. Hello, this is Skyzie from a little further into the future. As you can see, I have the desk set up to my liking. My wall's a little more decorated than it was before. It's been a little bit, and that's because I just want to give my final review because I still really like this desk. As I predicted, I do use it as a study desk, sometimes a little more, but mostly for studying. It's in amazing shape. On the sides, it got a little bagged up in delivery. I don't know if I mentioned that when I was building it. Same on this side, but honestly, it doesn't really affect the desk at all. It's still beautiful. I still love it. And as you can see, this thing is huge. I could fit so much on it. It's usually way messier than this. I usually have so much on this, but I cleaned it off just for the purpose of this final review. And honestly, this thing is amazing. Here, I'll demonstrate the technology. It's going up. Ignore my cable management. We don't have to talk about that. This is the desk at its highest level. It's very high. Yeah, there's my ceiling. It can go really high, that's all I'm saying. Okay, that's the lowest. I don't usually use it at its lowest because my chair is kind of too tall for it, but this is the lowest. Here, boom. M2. Let's see where M2 takes us. Okay. Oh! Okay, so I programmed M2 to be like my standing height. This is the perfect height for me. It's great. And to be completely honest, I use this desk way more than I use my other desk. This has really helped me with my productivity. Like, when I'm standing, I want to get more work done. I don't know what the whole science behind that is. AnthroDesk probably has something about it on their website. I just know that this has really helped me a lot. And like I said before, it's so spacious. You can fit so much on it. It's really deep. So like if you have like a lot of assignments that you have to do and they're like lined up, you're doing notes, taking notes, studying, all that fun stuff. You know what? I'll demonstrate. So this here is basically how my life has been for the past little while, because that's just how life is, unfortunately, as a student. And this desk is just perfect for all of that. You can spread out so much, have so many different things. It can go back so far. Like if I didn't have this monitor here, it could go back even further. Or this keyboard, like just move that and then boom, so much extra space. It's just so perfect. And I don't know if most of you know that I have ADHD, but that is in fact a thing that I have. And because of that, something that I like to do when I'm studying is fidget a lot. So I would get on my balance board. I don't know if you know what that is. Here's a picture. Boom, balance board. It's a lovely invention. And I found that studying or doing assignments or anything while standing on that at this desk, mwah, just chef's kiss. Amazing for productivity. And honestly, I've never had a standing desk before this one, so I don't really know how this would compare to other ones, but I do know that this is amazing, and in my experience, the best standing desk that I've ever witnessed, because AnthroDesk has honestly outdone themselves with this. So thank you again, AnthroDesk, for this beautiful desk. I have made good use of it so far, and I will continue to, I can promise that. And thank you everyone for watching. If you would like to get this lovely desk, the links will be in the description below, and you can also go to the website on the screen now.